Hi everyone, welcome to our online learning platform SP Lessons Competitive Exam. So today we are coming with a new topic that is called how to score 150 plus in physics NEET and chemistry NEET and some scoring tips. Uh, you are aiming at getting the first rank in NEET chemistry and physics in this NEET entrance trial. So that's not a big problem. The only problem you could have is you. Do you know why? You might not be ready to follow the NEET preparation tips we have got here for you. And however, if you are ready, I bet you are already accomplished your wish. Jury has never been recorded for a student who read ahead of the exam. But the only problem could be that such students did not study properly. I always remember my tutor in school those days telling us that what's worth doing is worth doing well. We do always laugh our hearts out because of that, but it's the truth. In getting the first grade in NEET chemistry and NEET physics, what's worth doing is worth doing well. Use our NEET preparation tips to do it well all through and see if you will not get the dream of your heart. In this NEET examination, oh, at least I forget. I wish you what you wish you were for yourself. Now, without wasting time, let's get it. With all you need to know about NEET examination. And before entering the topic, let's check the table format of section and number of questions and maximum scores. And from the table, we can conclude that there will be total 180 questions are assigned to physics, chemistry, and biology. Biology is the combination of botany and zoology. The question paper carries 720 marks for each correct answer. 4 marks will be added. At the same time, 1 mark will be deducted for every incorrect answer. And here we are providing some topics from physics section for the basic awareness. The first one is center of mass, second one gravitation, third one kinematics, fourth one laws of motion, fifth one mechanics of solid and fluids, sixth oscillations, rotational motion, system of particle and rigid body, units and measurements, waves, work, energy and power, kinetic theory of gases, properties of bulk matter, thermal property, magnetic effect of current and magnetisms, electric charge and field, electromagnetic wave, alternating current, current electricity, electromagnetic induction, semiconductor electronics, atoms and nuclei, dual nature of radiation and matter, ray optics and optical instrument. And so, looking for highest score, then consider getting the scheme of work time and scoring distribution for the exam. You can get it from NEET Exam Council or Target Publications. So, plus 4 marks for good answer, minus 1 mark for bad answer, and 0 marks for no attempt. So, there is no penalty on leaving questions unanswered. Now that you are done with these, can we look at some things you need before going this extra mile? Let's see for ourselves. Get tips concerning the exam by consulting a NEET exam counseling unit. Ask for how to get an application form, past questions, some notes, sample papers, and anything you might need to be sure you want to know this. Now I think viewer have good go to into the why we are here. So let's start with some tips. Those are first, how to score 150 plus in NEET physics. So the first one is 10 to 11 hour timetable. Draw your 10 to 11 hour timetable and maintain it. Oh my god, it 10 to 11 timetable. Are you serious? Yeah, it's very serious because this is another thing that will show you that you are ready. If you can keep to what you have got on the timetable, you will make you are already ready. Then start from the first concept on the syllabus and don't jump anything no matter small. So just focus, just focus, just focus. And second one is how to score 150 plus in physics NEET. Clarity of concepts involved. Start immediately. because generally we start with some bottom, some starting points, some choose some coin tosses that how to start and where to start. So don't go to by that way, because you need to get the proper idea of the concepts involved in the physics or chemistry, or whether it's a botany or zoology. Physics studies practical application plus numerical cases. Get all the basics into your skull and implement them. Now, chemistry requires a comprehensive knowledge of formulas, structures, and reactions. Make jotting for quick and easy revision. And third one is how to score 150 plus in physics NEET. So here we go some reference materials, that is the form of best books and mock test. Here I'm providing a lot of books, so you can keep it these books in this format, and you can choose the best fix which suit for your mindset and the particular problem solving skills, and the um, uh, complete syllabus that which uh, clear and follow the neat physics concepts. I generally refer the NCRT books, and neat books from target publication could be the ultimate option to secure excellent marks in the examination. Get them ready before thinking of other neat reference materials. Furthermore, other NCRT books aid in preparations. So now you have material, so your point is what the next. So in our lower basics, my teacher taught us that what we do every time is called habitual action. Now you are here, make reading your habitual action from now. Cut down on other things you do and set a goal for your daily activities. A neat preparation plan is a paramount goal for every day. Be warned that you dare not grab a grade in physics if you don't have mastery in practices and calculations. Is this what you all will have lived to hide and you seek? You are joking. Get started with your physics syllabus and never forget that chemistry is part of the success story too. The next thing is how to score 150 plus in NEET physics. Get a private tutor. This is a vital if you are finding computation and note taking difficult. Physics paper requires your knowledge of numeral, and chemistry is nothing to write home about on this basis. Your tutor can equip with numeral based knowledge and particle ideas too. So it's the best idea to hire a private tutor. How to score 150 plus in physics NEET. Don't jump the queue. The finish a topic before going on to the next topic, so don't leave the topic in the middle, because may if you left some topic there is a chance to ask that particular topic in the examinations. It will often happens to each and every student, so don't suffer by leave the topic. Also, once you grab a formula, practice in many times with other questions to ensure a full understanding of its application. So how to score 150 plus in physics need try full mock materials. Even when you are not under any tutor in school, going to last 32 years new question papers could make you more exam ready than those who attend lectures every day. Take the mock on full length tests as you are already writing the exam. Score yourself after checking your speed. Do you know what? Keep a stopwatch to time you when you are talking the mock trail. Stop when it says stop. You are building strength and confidence. And the final one, how to score 150 plus in physics NEET mock techniques. Be an expert with NEET mock techniques. While attempting NEET mock trials, master the techniques. This will avail you top scores as you go on. And finally, I'm going to wrap up as do you see what I mean? NEET exam is never the ultimate. Grab these NEET preparation tips of getting their question type, nature, making scheme, and marking scheme, the time requirement of ending up a test, and the paper fee. That's a part of the magic here. Then other part is for you to get what target publication NEET books have you for you to rank up. We'll let you scoring high in NEET physics and chemistry, engage in habitual practice plus revisions. Discover your weak points, tackle them, get answer to questions, and boost your intellectuality. Hope this section will help you to at least some basic knowledge about some tips for scoring some decent marks in physics and chemistry sections. If you want any topics from us, you can make a comment on our YouTube comment section, or you can send a mail to us, career@5toolsinfo.com. Hope you will enjoy this session.